Hi guys, this is Martin, aka Martin the Vlogger, and this channel is everything about riding, fun and petrol heavy, and of course about these three-wheelers. And today we will do an installation video about this peg insert. Many people don't know that you can actually upgrade your stock packs on F3 for these basically Lamonster peg inserts. I'm bringing them to the Europe, so now you can find them on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. And yeah, I will show you how to install them and how they will look. And I will replace this rubber-ish stock packs. They're quite okay, of course. They can always be better, you know. They are not as bad as this one on the RYKER, but that's not the story of today. Anyway, guys, enough of this. Let's get started. I would not do this if I would be really installing it for myself, but I'm doing it for the purpose of the video. I don't like to do it because you are basically scratching your foot pegs right over there, so I will go underneath of the bike and I will install it that way, but for the video I'll do it for you this way. It's quite worn. Actually, it's a lot more worn than I thought. Now the hardest part is to find a way how they should be mounted. Basically, this thing is facing your wheels, so this way, put this in the middle and put bolts. That's it. Now before I'll show you how they look, I just need to clean a bike a little. By the way, who don't know, these are the frame protectors because I'm keeping my foot on the frame and I don't want to scratch it, plus it's anti-slippery. So only at MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. Are we ready? I'm gonna see them for the first time as well, so let's see. They look nice. And you know this diamond gripper, that's a pattern that Lamonster is using, and it's really anti-slippery. Nice. Very nice. Love it. I actually might keep one set for myself. So as I have promised you, very short installation video, but stay tuned guys, because we'll be installing this as well. These are called extra foot rests. Basically, it's an additional way how to stretch your legs on a long road. I think we are not very used to it in Europe, but I have these of course from Lamonster Garage. So guys, in case you would like to have the peg inserts or anything else for your Can-Am SPYDER RYKER, visit MartinTheVlogger.com, especially Europe, especially Asia, Middle East, Australia. I ship worldwide. In case you are not super sure how much I will charge you for shipping, I charge only fair shipping. So even if somebody pays more, but if you are not sure how much I will charge you, just write to me to MartinTheVlogger@gmail.com. I'm replying always. So guys, stay tuned. Focusing on a RYKER now these days because the beast is going to the service center. And this is it. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, dislike, do whatever, but most importantly guys, remember, always have fun.